If you want to turn on Face ID on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, let's see. So open Settings app and scroll down. You can see this option Face ID and passcode. Open that. Now enter your iPhone 17 screen passcode. Okay. Now first iPhone unlock. Turn on this and click Get Started and position your face at the center of the screen. Okay. Follow the arrow mark. Okay, it's done. There you can see the green indication. It is done. So use Face ID with the mask. So just turn on this option. It was very useful. We don't need to wear the mask for now, but in case if we wear the mask, it will automatically recognize. So click use Face ID with the mask. Then position your face within the frame. Rotate your head. That's it. For me, I'm wearing eyeglass. In case if I didn't wear the glass, if Siri want to recognize my face means I can go for the third scan. For me, I don't want that skip. It automatically recognize. Skip this. Okay, it's done. Done. Okay, now everything were turned on. Make sure this all option were turned on. Face ID with a mask, this also turned on. In case in future Siri want to recognize your face without wearing the glass or with the glass means, click add glasses, click continue and set up the thing. So that's it. This is how you need to turn on Face ID on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. And if you want to know more videos about these topics, watch this playlist.